Here we have it, guys, an entry-level opportunity in the Gainsborough Greens estate in Pimpama. A gorgeous home built by Coral Homes. Go and have a look.
This property has 3 generous-sized bedrooms, a separate media space, and minutes from everything you'll ever need. We'll see you soon.
Yeah. She's an original.